Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add velocity to your videos on TikTok. So select your video and then just press next, and then you're going to select the edit button here. And once you're done, you're going to select magic. As you can see, there is a magic button down here, and you're just going to simply select velocity, and it's going to be applied to your videos. There's a lot of options you can choose from as well. Some of them I think only works with photos, like the Cybercam and the Phantom, but as you can see, this one adds velocity to your videos. If the audio is like a little bit weird, just press mute here and then add in a sound from TikTok. And once you're done, you're just going to press save, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!